Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am back with another pink Gellac review and swatch video for you guys, because they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to choose some colors I would love to review and make like a nail art with. So first up today is the review, and after that I'm going to upload the tutorial I made with this as well. So I've got the butterfly collection and 3 random other shades, and first up I'm going to swatch all of these on like practice nails, and I have applied a base before I apply all the colors, and I've also just roughened up the surface a little bit with a nail file. And you also want to do this for natural nails, but you really want to be gently and just work gently. Be really gentle with a natural nail plate because you don't want to damage it. So after that I just started off with the 120 beautiful black, and I really wanted the black color because blacks are usually super pigmented, and I really wanted to know if this brand also has like a super pigmented black, and it actually is really pigmented. You could just pull this off with like 2 coats only. And after you've applied the base and cured that for 15 seconds, you want to cure the entire color with a full minute in the LED light. Then I just applied a second layer just to show you how it looks like fully opaque. It really is a beautiful like creamy black shade, and just cure that for a full minute again. Then I always do this on the natural nails as well. Just apply a good amount of the gel top coat and cure that for a full minute too. And this is what it looks like, the end result, or at least this shade with 1 layer of top coat. I think it's a really beautiful shade, really beautiful and basic for nail art as well. Then it is time for the soft white. Again, another one of my basic like favorite colors, especially when you want to do like nail art and stuff like that. You can't go wrong with a good white and a good black. So on forehand I applied the base coat to all of the practice nails, and I just applied 2 layers of all colors, and I only showed you 1 from this color. But just cure that gel polish for a full minute and the top coat as well, and then you have a beautiful, really a soft white. It isn't as stark as you would really think it would be. It really is a soft, delicate white. After that, the other shade apart from the collection I will be showing you later is the diamond silver, and this is a silver holographic glitter. It is in a clear base, which I really like, which means you could actually use it as like a special effect stopper or something. And the more layers you add, the more holographic glitter you have. So if you want it to be really subtle, just use 1 layer, but you could easily go with like 2 or 3 thin layers to make it super glittery. I added 2, and I'm also showing you how I did 2, and this is the end result after a beautiful layer of top coat as well. So I really like that in the cap you could actually see how all of the colors look inside, because sometimes the sticker like on the bottle itself can be a little bit misleading because the colors mostly are like super beautiful in real life. And that are the 3 base colors I was able to receive, and I think I'm going to be able to make super beautiful nail art with these shades as base colors. Then I also was able to receive some brighter colors. I actually was able to just pick them out myself. So I was looking around on the pink Gellac website, and I saw this butterfly collection, and it is just a beautiful shade. And I'm going to swatch all of these on practice nails as well. I already written down the names and the numbers. So first up it is time for Paradise Pink. And I love this color. It is like a hot pink. It's like a hot neon Barbie pink with multicolored like fairy dust kind of glitter in it. It is so beautiful. I love this. Maybe if you have like shorter nails you could just apply 1 coat, but on longer nails just like I have, I would suggest to at least apply 2 layers. So that is how this one looks like. So it is 189 Paradise Pink. I really love the glitter in this one. It is stunning. Next up in this collection is Secret Garden, and this one is really a favorite of mine. It was like an instant fave with the first swipe. It is so bright, it is amazing. On my natural nails it needs 2 thin layers, but you could also apply the white underneath and then 1 layer of the green and you're good to go as well. I really love this color. It is just so beautiful, and just look at how bright it is in the light. My camera can't even pick it up. It's like so bright. It's amazing. And you know me, I really love my neons, and I'm not really a green kind of loving girl, but I really love this green. It is gorgeous. I love it so much. It's like a poison green or something. I love it. Then next up is 191 Neon Flirt, and again it is a neon color, and you know me, I really love my neons. I love my bright ones, especially now it is summertime. This one is just like the Secret Garden, just a creamy one without any glitter, but that doesn't make it any less beautiful. I really think this is a beautiful hot pink, kind of to the corally side. And again, this one is like super neon, really bright in the lamp as well, but my camera isn't even able to pick this up. So this is what that color looks like. So it is kind of like a mix between a pink and an orange. It really is a corally kind of tone, and it is super creamy as well. Then next one is 192, which is called Blue Moon. This is kind of like a tricky one because it is a metallic kind of gel polish. So it is a little bit more thin and it can be a little bit streaky, so you don't want to hassle with it too much. But with 3 thin coats you are good to go. It is completely opaque. So this is 192 Blue Moon. It is a beautiful like medium blue color, kind of like a sky blue, but a metallic-y kind of sky, if you know what I mean. It is really beautiful. Then the last one from this collection is 193, which is Blazing Purple, and this is again really one of my favorites. It is a super neon purple color. It's not like a super dark, it's more like a neon medium kind of purple, and this one contains beautiful blue colored glitter. It is so stunning. It is a little bit thin on the first coat, so you really need 2, but just look at that shimmer in there. I really love, or it's more like glitter. I actually really love glitters, especially in gel polishes because they are really easy to remove as well. But yeah, this was actually already like the entire review slash swatch video. I really love making these videos for you because I'm not even that familiar with gel polishes, but this brand, Pink Gellac, is like my favorite brand ever for gel polishes. I haven't seen any other brands which were just as good as this one. So if you want any information about them, just check the description box down below or just ask me in the comments down below. I'm really happy to just reply to every one of your comments. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And yeah, just let me know which color of this collection is your favorite, but I will see you guys in my next video.